That was loud. I said that's loud. Well guys, I'm officially the best wheelier out of my friend group today. Pretty cool. I guess I have been for a little while, but anytime I ride with Riley or Rendon, hell nah. My front brakes don't feel as good after that stoppie. I wonder if I put some air in it because this thing is not angled how it's supposed to be. Hey, this is the parking lot where I bought my 2014 R6. It was right there. Pretty dank, bro. If anybody comes up here, I'll just tell them go around. I'm waiting on my homeboys. Oh my gosh, that one was high. That one was a little bit of a dippy dip. Dipping, bro. Hope it looks the same on camera, but probably not. Or I mean, you basically have to see what I feel, so it's, you know, that was kind of hard. Yeah, we're dipping, bro. We're getting up there. It's like a little bit more challenging, but also like forces me to be a little bit better when I'm in between cars. My bike looks funny from up here. I'm cooking. Oh my goodness, my legs are hot. Man, he pops a lot. That's that M4 slip on, man. I like the way you work it. I'm about to bang it. I like the way you work it. I'm about to bang it up. I like the way you work it.
think I'm in love. Say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I'll be moving cautious. I can't feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I'll be so exhausted.